Well, my name is Daryl James. I am the president and CEO of EME Construction, a commercial construction company based here in Atlanta, Georgia, and we specialize in interior renovations. We operate as a GC and as a subcontractor. We're able to come in and be a super sub for particular GCs, or we can come in and specialize in finishing work as a subcontractor. That's typically what we do. That's our bread and butter. And we've been doing this for a little over 5 years now. I was introduced to Brasfield Gorrie through Jessica. I'm going to butcher her last name, McMahon. I'm sorry if I butchered your name, Jessica. I do appreciate you. I love you. So don't charge it to my heart. But yeah, I'm in an organization called NAMAC. Jessica resides on one of the committees that I'm a part of as well in that organization. So she introduced me to Brasfield Gorrie. I actually got connected with them through their Equip program and began bidding on their some of the projects with them. I was actually able to land my first project with them on a project in Gainesville, Florida, University of Florida. Where we came in, we were given a small painting scope. We were able to get an opportunity to come in and show what we could do, showcase our skill. And we've been able to, since then, bid on much larger projects with them in the painting scope arena. And hopefully we continue to grow our relationship and we continue to win more projects with them. But the people have been amazing. I've had no complaints with Brasfield Gorrie. And I could look to continue to build our working relationship.